Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete all wallpapers on your iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, lock your iPhone so you're on the lock screen. Next, press and hold anywhere on the lock screen until the wallpaper editor opens. You'll need to unlock your iPhone using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode before you can make changes. Once you're in the wallpaper editor, you'll see all of your saved wallpapers. Swipe left or right to browse through them. To delete a wallpaper, swipe up on the wallpaper preview, then tap the delete icon. When prompted, tap Delete this wallpaper to confirm. Repeat the same process for each wallpaper you want to remove. Keep in mind that iPhone does not include a delete all option, so each wallpaper must be deleted individually. Continue swiping through your wallpaper collection and deleting them one by one until only the wallpaper you want to keep remains. If you want to use a different wallpaper afterward, you can add a new one directly from the same screen. When you're finished, simply tap on the remaining wallpaper to exit the editor and apply it as your current lock screen wallpaper. So that's basically how you can delete all wallpapers on your iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.